Hey guys, this is just one guy, and I'm here with one of the projects that I've been working on. It's a game called Superhuman. Now, if you watch my channel, you know that I'm a big fan of the XCom series, and especially one of the last games they came out with, which was an expansion for the XCom 2, War of the Chosen, and this is made similar to that. And the base of the game is that you play a group of soldiers and you're fighting against superhumans, just random people with superpowers, and their power goes up and your power goes up. But let's just go in game and see how far I got with it so far. Now I've just put the basic gameplay here. We're just going to load the game up, and I'm just going to go to the test level. All the levels are randomly generated, so you can see right there the level was randomly generated. Right now the level generation is pretty simple. That's why you get something like this where the objects sometimes generate off the level. But here are our soldiers, all the player soldiers, and here are the enemy soldiers. These are just test soldiers for now, just to test out the enemies. Now how the game works is you fight against a superhuman family that's similar to the Mafia. There are 10 of them all together, and on each mission you go on, uh, they spawn one of their characters, and this mimics something from the War of the Chosen that I liked, where the Chosen could just show up on a random mission and mess with you. So that's what happens here. Now normally this would happen on at a random time. He just wouldn't show up here, but since this is test level, I just instantly spawned him in. So you can go to see his stats, his powers. He has super strength. All named characters will have items too. So he has a ragtag shotgun and a Kevlar vest. His super strength gives him a bit of armor. That's what that green is, and that little 4. So he has 4 points of armor and 20 points of health. And these are just some enemies I spawned in. He's a sniper, shotgun, another sniper. The difference is he can shoot far, he does more damage, and they're just meant to be like low-level enemies for you to fight. But if you ever want to know the stats, just hit more information. Right here is just a quick select, so you could quickly select your characters, because I test all my games out on my phone, so that I can play them at any time. And I found this was an easy way of selecting them. After I started playing the XCOM mobile thing, it's a lot easier just to select them like this. And just in case you can't find a player. So, you can see he has most of the basic functionality here. You can move your character. One thing I just implemented was a system to show you whether you can hit the enemy or not, or whether you have them flanked. You can see right now if I move to this spot right here, I can hit one enemy, which I assume is him. And these 3 enemies I can't. Right here show your movement. This character can move 12 spaces. The character can take 2 actions, has 1 ammo. These red lines right here show you how far you can attack. These green lines right here show you how far you can move. And as you can see, they're green and red because you can attack on any one of these squares, or you can attack on the red squares. Now there are, I think, 4 basic weapons in the game. A pistol, an assault rifle, and a sniper rifle and a shotgun. The sniper rifle, as you can see, shoots the longest. You can tell the range of the weapon by how many red squares it is. And you can see he has a sniper rifle, which is why he can shoot so far. Now if I click right here and move the character to there, you can see I can aim at the character and it'll tell me whether I have the character flanked or not. Right now there's a glitch in the game, so on their first turn when they spawn backwards, the code can't tell if they're backwards, but it'll actually give you the flanking bonus because it can tell when you're actually attacking. And if I attack, he shoots. I thought this was a little more cinematic to follow the bullet like that. Also it tells you the percentage that you have to hit. So you can see a lot of the features are here that that's in the standard XCOM. If I end the turn, the enemies get to move, and it'll show you all their movements as long as you can see them. Now right now all they can do is just run up and attack you, so that's what they'll try to do. They're not really that much of a danger, but he is. He has a shotgun, and he can attack 3 times. Luckily right there he didn't attack me. I don't know why. But as you can see, I think he has 3 action points if I can find it. Oh no, he has 2. Now he had to reload right there because the sniper rifle only has 1 bullet. And I'm going to shoot again. And most of his health is gone. So you just get assault rifle guy. Put him right here. And let's attack. Now it's important to know that if you flank them, you actually do more damage. But currently I don't have a character that can move that far, so I can't really do it. You might notice this character has a little bubble around it. That's a shield. For some reason she has 8 shields, which I don't think is ever supposed to happen. I think that's because of her class, which I'll go over in another video. But she has 3 shields. Sorry, 8 is her health. And she has 3 shields. Shields will completely block an attack. In fact, I'll try to show it right here. So just end the turn. You can see he shotgunned me. And the shield completely blocked it. Anyway, that's it for today. I'll make some more videos showing off more of the gameplay and more of the systems. I just didn't want to put it all in one video. Anyway, that's it for today. Thank you for watching.